Hi everyone, today's tutorial is a bubble braid. Now I got these fun elastics at the Dollar Tree. I got the whole pack for just $1. I'm sure you can find something similar if you don't have a Dollar Tree at Walmart, but they were just cute little fabric elastics. So I'm going to use those for today's tutorial. So to start, I'm just parting the hair down the middle, and then I'm just going to create small sections with the hair. So to do that, you need a nice comb and you need to be able to get a really straight part line. And then I'm just going to twist my elastic. These I think I put in 3 times till they held tight in place. So then I'm just going to create another section a little bit farther down. Now you will notice that sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 times to get a straight part, but I always check my part and make sure it's nice and straight. That just makes your style look so much nicer. And as we go along, I'm also adding in spray gel and water so that it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to put in my next elastic, putting in the ponytail from the first ponytail. Now to make this braid a bubble braid, what you have to do is take the ponytail that you just put in and gently tug at the top of it to pull it out a little bit. Now you don't have to pull it out a lot, or you can do however much you want, but that gives it that nice bubble look. So now I'm just going to clip this out of the way so I can put in the rest of my ponytails. The other thing you want to make sure when you're doing this braid is that you try to make them go down in a straight line as best as you can. That'll make it look really nice when you're finished. You also want to try to be as consistent as you can with pulling up about the same amount of hair. That way the sections will look similar in size. Now, when I first started this, I thought that I was going to just do 2 more sections here. But when I started to do the other side, I realized that I should have just put all of this hair into one section that's remaining here. So I'm making 2 sections here, but I will go back and just grab all of this hair and put it into one ponytail. It just held a lot better, and when I had 2 here, they were just too close together and I didn't like the way they looked. So now I'm going to go to the other side and I'm wetting the hair down with some spray gel. And I'm repeating those same steps, and I'm just trying to make all of my pigtails line up evenly. So I'm really paying attention to where my part lines are on the other side and extending those part lines over to this side so that it looks nice and consistent all the way down. And then don't forget to pancake out that top of that ponytail to give it that nice bubble look. Now this is a great style for beginners because it's pretty easy to do. I mean, the hardest part here is just getting, nice part lines, but it really looks cute and I think it has a big impact. And I would suggest getting some kind of, thick hair ties like this, or even like those hair ties that have the balls on them. I think those would be cute with this hairstyle. So I'm just adding the rest of the hair, putting it in place. Now, One thing you could do is you could keep going down with these, but I stopped here and I just left them into low ponytails. I hope you guys like this one. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We post 2 tutorials each week and I don't want you to miss out.